Good afternoon, viewers. Today again we are at a beautiful property. This is actually a villa development towards Bangalore North, and we are giving you an exclusive preview of a four-bedroom option in here. So, when you talk about this development, this is one of a class known for pretty much eco-friendly development with the aesthetic in terms of design aesthetics, and customization is the king here when you talk about the development here. So we enter into the development. So this is actually the living space. So you got a spacious living space in here. So the complete area is your living area here. The other beauty of this development is the courtyard what you get in place. So this courtyard has got the accessibility from the living area, from the bedroom, and this is how the greenery is completely taken care. So this is a huge courtyard at the ground level. As soon as you enter your home into the living space, then we take you towards the dining space. So that was the living area. Then this is the dining space, which has a double height ceiling where you can see the level one there. So this can be served as a dual concept, basically a study space as well, and a dining space in here completely taken care. So from the dining area, we head towards the kitchen area. So you have two kitchens here. So one is a dry kitchen and one is a wet kitchen. So that was the dining space what you saw, and now we have entered into the dry kitchen. Basically, all your cutting, chopping happens here, and from the kitchen also you have the complete. The private garden area visible in there, and these are all your appliances kept in here. Then we head into the wet kitchen here. So the washing, everything happens in this particular space. So you have a proper separation between the wet kitchen and a dry kitchen, and along with this particular dry kitchen you have a space for your utility which connects you here. So this is again an external space which has the space for the utility in here, and this is the servant quarter. So you enter into the servant quarter. So this is a decent space for a servant to live in. So the servant quarter in here, then we head out, and for the servant also you got a washroom in here. So kind of good aesthetics taken care. So the servant living is also taken care well in here. Then we head towards the bedrooms in here. So this is the kids bedroom. So you got a good spacious kids bedroom in here, and you have this kind of a cozy corners. Again, when you talk about customization, you can do everything in here. So kids will enjoy the space in here. So once you get into the kids area, so again from the kids bedroom, they have the access towards the private garden space. So kids can grow pretty creative in this particular locality. Again, you can plant huge trees. This is a private space for the kids, so they can get into their outdoor adventure activities in here too. So this was all about the kids bedroom, and this is not yet done because still we have the storage spaces within the kids bedroom where you have this kind of showcase space, then the walk-in wardrobe where kids can have their own privacy in terms of the storage aspects. Then this is the washroom. So in this washroom also, for the kids also, you have the bathtub in here complete. So pretty spacious washrooms in here. So that's the bathtub for the kids in here. Then the shower area, the pot spaces, everything in there. Then we head towards the guest bedroom in here. So even the guest bedroom has the access towards the garden. So that is one of the beauty even if a guest comes to your place. So pretty spacious bedroom in here completely for the guest in there. So the guest also has access to the complete garden space. So this is how the garden would look. So this is one of a kind development. Then we head towards the master bedroom, and this is king size living. So look at the lavish size of the master bedroom, which opens again to a private garden space. You can create a study area completely at one corner, good light and ventilation from all the corners in here. Look at the internal view, so you'll enjoy the practically the king size living space. So this is how you get in towards the private garden space, the complete private garden space there. Then we enter in here, so into the study spaces. Then this is the complete, we are still in the master suite. So you have the wardrobe space in here, a walk-in wardrobe space completely in here. Then we have, if you are a green lover, so you have multiple space in here where you can plant multiple trees in there. So you can sit in the space in here, and again you can enjoy the external views in here because you have a space for here. You can enjoy the view. You've got a sink, everything in place here. Then coming towards the bathing spaces here, so you have a shower area here. Then we enter towards these bath spaces. So there's a separate pot space in here, so you'll enjoy the guest suite completely in here. So this is the beauty of this development. You've got skylights everywhere, so you'll have the natural lighting and ventilation at each and every aspect of your bedrooms in here. Then the other beauty, as I was mentioning, the terrace gardens completely. So then now we are heading towards the now we are already on the second floor in here. So this is the second floor design aesthetics what you get in. Now as we head towards the lower level, so this was the lower level kids bedroom and everything in here. Now if you're looking for some ultra luxury fabulous properties located in Bangalore North, we are always there to assess PropTech Realty. Feel free to connect with us. Thank you.